If you know, you know, but if you don't, my name is Tiffany and I'm on a 40-pound weight loss journey. And this is like week number, I want to say 23 of my weight loss journey, but this is going to be a short one. I just didn't want to leave today blank. I have a whole week full of footage, but overall my week went good this week. I did not get on the scale. We're doing an egg diet starting tomorrow. Like, I already have like my eggs prepared and everything. Let's go grab them. And sorry for the bad lighting, but look at this. Got the eggs already boiled. I eat about 9 or 10 eggs a day. I'm gonna do a whole video on that though. But today is Father's Day, so your girl have not been eating good, but that's a whole nother story. Our egg diet is gonna correct all of that, at least short term, right? Short term. So the day has just gotten away from me. So don't forget, y'all, we get on that scale on my actual birthday, which is next Saturday, the 25th. So be prepared for that. I'm still going to post a full week video because I have like a workout in there, unless I just end up making that a short. But anyways, yeah, sorry for the real short video, but y'all know how it is sometimes. But, you know, woman of my word, didn't want to leave today blank. So you know what I'm going to say. If you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. I really appreciate you guys. We're really growing here. And also, don't forget to leave me a comment down below, even if it's just short and sweet, saying, hey, girl. All right, so until next time, bye.